Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. We're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me to review. I think this would be excellent for someone who wants to set up a really interesting night out in the backyard, front yard, wherever you want to. This is a little fire pit. This will be great on a table or a stand, as you guys can see here. So we're going to open this box up. I'm going to show you guys all of the different components that come with it. So you're going to receive a couple of these glass panes, and that's for the framing. Let's get all of the components out so that you guys will be able to see them. This is our top cover. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out, and then we'll come back to it after that. All right, so this is the hose that you're going to connect your butane to. You guys can see, connects here. Here is your knob to control it as well. Also on this side here, you guys can see we have our control for turning on the flame, turning off the flame. All of those controls are right here. Now, of course, we will have to assemble this, and we will also have to add our beads inside here. So this metal component right here is where your flame is going to come from. So let's start putting this guy together. All right, I want you guys to see how easy it is to assemble this. So I'm just going to cut open the little box here. Inside of the box you will find the instruction manual. Everything looks very simple as far as the instruction goes, but it does also outline the different tools you're going to need, the bolts and all of these different things here, so you see that as well. So here are your corners, or should I say the back section for the glass. Inside here you're going to find all of the tools you're going to need to assemble this. So you can basically just take these little glass pieces out. These are very high grade glass, very thick, and they just slot in. Those are just going to slot in like so on either side. And then you have your long sections here. We can go ahead and start putting those in as well. Again, very high quality glass. It's going to slot in like so. Let's go ahead and move these beads out, but I want you guys to see the beads that come with it. Quite a few of those. Here's our second glass pane. As you see, they do provide us a screwdriver, and these can only be screwed in from one side. So I want to show you guys something here real quick. You see these little rubber tabs? Those go in like so. And that's going to provide a little bit of cushion when you place it in with the glass piece. So as you guys can see, I'm starting these out with my fingers. It just makes it easier to start seating them in. Then we have our final piece. It does come with a few spares in case you lose a few of these. You should be able to now rotate this over to the side if you needed to, and will not have to worry about anything coming loose. Now you do receive a spare one of these nozzles. It already is installed on the device itself underneath. All right, guys, so one of the final things we're going to do is going to add all of our beads into the trough. You just want to make sure that you don't completely cover up where the fire is going to come out. All right, let's take a closer look at that. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like inside once we have all of our beads in. And like I said, you can kind of position these pretty much wherever you want them. Like so, because your flame is going to be emitted from right here. Beautiful design, as you guys can see. Now you will need your own butane in order to power this, but once you have it connected, it's going to be really easy to set this guy up. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the cover that is provided with your fire pit. So here's your cover. It does have drawstrings on it as well, so you'll be able to cover it up like so. And then you can use the drawstrings to further Pull this in tight so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing this off. This is going to be rainproof, all of those cool things. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, I've done my job. I will catch you guys all in the next video, but until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.